Welcome back to Science
Ninja TV.
We are doing an experiment called, what's it called?
Lemon battery pack.
Lemon battery pack. So what we're essentially going to do is make this little light bulb light up using these lemons.
Insert a coin inside of the lemon.
You can do 2 coins in...
Where's your lemon? There you go.
Oh, not too far, because they still need to be out a little bit. Not
I'd
too
say
far,
2 or 3. You're shining.
but you have to let them be partially out as well.
That's
coins.
enough.
That's enough proper coins. So that's perfect.
I'm going to give you all, be careful with these, 3 nails. So, does anyone know what metal the coins are made out of? Copper. Copper, exactly. And hazard a guess at what these nails are made of? Zinc. They're made of zinc. So, we're going to put these nails into the lemon on the other side.
Make sure the coin and the nail do not touch.
A bit closer together, guys. Is that okay?
Yeah, like that.
Perfect. That is. Do you know what? That's perfect. Do you want to add that extra one?
Like that?
Perfect. Lovely.
There you go. That should be good. And then move that one closer as well.
And once you're done, you will hold them to this camera just here.
Hold the lemon there.
Good.
Whoa.
What's
Still matching.
The next step is we need to connect all of our wires together. So, you want to start by connecting, for example, your coins are going to be attached to, what's your name again? Ella. Going to be attached to Ella's nails over here. Okay, there we go, that should be good. The final step is connecting that wire to those nails and then connecting it to this light bulb here. What me and Kaylin are going to do is connect it to either one of these little prongs just here of the light there. Do you want to hold the wire at the top? Just there. And then you can connect one end like that. Oh, just to one of the ends. There we go.
You want to hold the, you hold the lights. Hold the little light.
And hopefully it should light up. You can already see it lighting up. Wow! Batteries use an electrolyte to produce an electrical current. Electrolytes conduct electricity because they contain electrically charged particles.
Fruit, such as lemons, work because they contain citric acid.
The copper coin and zinc nail act as electrodes, and the juice in the lemon acts as the electrolyte.
Making an electrical current strong enough to power a small LED light bulb.
Thank you for watching Science Ninja TV.